Hello guys, and welcome to the shadowing technique. This is an interpretation technique when you have to repeat the text immediately after listening to it. You have to follow certain steps. First, listen to the text, then replay the text and repeat it in your voice. Be louder and try to match the accent of your target language. You have to repeat the same text again and again until you are confident and you speak with the same speed as the audio. We are going to do a demonstration of it.
Traffic continues
to build on the 5 freeway as people flock to LAX in order to visit loved ones and go on vacation this holiday season. You can expect 1 or 2 hours setbacks heading north on the 5, and that is with no other factors such as inclement weather or accidents. There has been an accident on the 15 West heading towards San Diego involving a pickup truck and 2 other cars, which has closed off 2 lanes momentarily. On and off rain as well and nightly fog made hazardous conditions for drivers, and we can expect to see more accidents and freeway blockage in this fashion around the area, as well as lower driving speeds to accommodate for the conditions. Stay safe, everyone, and happy holidays. As you can see, I listen to the text and then I repeat it, trying to use the same fluency and accent of the target language. So this is basically how shadowing technique works.